What's up guys, this is Collins from Puzzler Box. If you're watching this video, then you probably do not like the recent Facebook layout, or you found out about a missing feature on the new layout. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the easiest way to switch back to the old Facebook layout. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So let me share my quick story on how I discovered the switch option for the old layout. A few days ago I was told to make an advert for my company, and I logged into my Facebook account and discovered there was no option for ads manager anymore. So I started making research on how to solve that problem, how to switch back to the old layout. Unfortunately, I didn't get any solution to that. I tried. It took me days and I still didn't get anything about it. So I gave up the search on the internet and I decided to play around with Facebook account if I could, or I would find anything that works well for me. And I didn't get any results. I didn't solve the problem immediately. I will not solve it because I didn't find a solution for it. So a few days later I logged into my Facebook account again, and then I went straight to the page I was supposed to make an advert for, and by the left hand side of the page there was an option for me to switch back to the new Facebook layout, which I discovered is usually only available on a Facebook page you manage yourself, not someone else's page. So in order to achieve this, one of the requirements for it is a Facebook page you manage. Without a Facebook page, okay, sorry, there's a different option, not just Facebook page. There's an option for a Facebook group chat. If you manage a Facebook group chat, you also have an option to switch back to the old Facebook layout, which I find helpful, and let's do some practical on that. So you log into the Facebook page, the one that has the new layout design, and then you try and locate a page you manage at the left hand side of the page, the dashboard area. Then when you just click on the page I currently manage, which is my company page, because we are consultants at Abuja. We consult for so many things: properties, for loans, we create business plan for companies, for startups and existing companies already. So when you're logged into your Facebook page, the one you manage in particular, at the left hand side of the page you will be given an option to switch back to the old Facebook layout. When you click on switch now, it brings up a pop-up asking you if you want to switch because of a missing feature. So you can say yes, and then choose an area which you feel is missing on the page. Mine was ads and sponsored, so I'll click on that, and then if you have any comment on that, you can type in here and then click on submit. You can also skip that as well, but when you're done selecting and submitting, it takes a little time depending on the internet to switch back to the old layout, and voila, we're back here. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful or helpful, please hit the like button and share to your friends out there who might be finding it difficult to switch back to the old layout. Thank you guys for watching. Until then, see you next time.